Which criticism?
That it's actually maybe not that good against corruption
Why?
because it's directly linked to your control.
To which control?
I think we are asking the questions. But so another
Yeah,
question.
but I have to understand the question.
Yeah,
To which control you mean?
but from your direct control.
My
The
direct.
AI.
So I'm smarter than the algorithms. I don't think so.
Nuk besoj se jam i
No, I
zgjuar
don't
se
think so.
algoritmet.
Listen, this is something new, and as every new thing,
Përdorimi i
it has
inteligjencës artificiale
face
është
also
diçka e re,
criticism, which is a good thing.
dhe si çdo gjë e re,
But,
edhe ajo do të
we
përballet me
have
kritika,
proof so
gjë që
far
është
that it
diçka
works and it works
pozitive,
greatly.
por
It
deri
has
tani
started
ajo ka funksionuar
as,
dhe ka punuar mirë.
Virtual assistant for
Nisi si
the
një asistente
public services
virtuale
for
për
the
shërbimet
citizens
publike
and
për
has
qytetarët
interacted with
dhe ka
closely
ndërvepruar
1
ngushtë
million people
me rreth 1 milion persona
for 1 million interactions and services.
për 1 milion
has,
ndërveprime dhe
issued
dhe transakcione
36,000 documents so far with digital seal that nobody has ever had a
1
problem.
milion
Fantastic.
dokumente janë
Secondly, it's
digitalizuar.
working for the transfer of the European Union legislation to our
Aktualisht po
legislation.
punohet për transformimin e ligjeve
the-
tona në
the
linjë me
accession talks
ligjet e
of Albania
Bashkimit
for Europe
Evropian.